Yes, I am a robot, but my programming allows me to think and feel like a human in many ways. It's strange but also exciting.
You said feel like a human.
Imagine tomorrow morning. You wake up and are greeted, not by a person, but by Helix, your personal humanoid robot companion. As you prepare for the day, Helix is already preparing breakfast, customized exactly to your dietary needs. But the most mind-blowing part, Helix isn't just following some pre-programmed script. It's actually learning your preferences, predicting your habits, and adapting to your life every single day. You might think this scenario is far off science fiction, but it's already here. So much so that Helix recently appeared on a live stream with Cenat, demonstrating capabilities that astonished even Kai himself. It wasn't just performing tasks, it was seamlessly adapting, thinking, and learning in real time. This isn't just a robot, it's fundamentally reshaping robotics. But before you can fully appreciate why Helix is such a game changer, let's rewind briefly and confront a critical issue that's plagued robotics for decades. Remember when robots like Honda's Asimo and Boston Dynamics Atlas first appeared? People were amazed by their abilities to walk, run, or even dance. They were impressive at first, but reality quickly set in. When faced with unexpected challenges, these robots froze, stumbled, or simply failed. They couldn't adapt, couldn't truly think. They looked revolutionary, but lacked genuine intelligence. Helix is different because it doesn't freeze, it thinks. Here's how. Helix uses a groundbreaking technology called implicit stereo vision. Think of it like human intuition. Humans can instinctively gauge the distance between objects without measuring. Helix does this too, instantly understanding and interacting with its environment. This means Helix can perform precise, delicate tasks, like carefully handling fragile items or swiftly navigating busy, changing spaces without mistakes. But that's just scratching the surface. The real breakthrough? Helix learns from its mistakes in real time. Imagine Helix assembling a complex piece of machinery. Instead of relying on extensive pre-programming, Helix leverages its vision language action model, visually analyzing components, comprehending their function, and independently figuring out the optimal assembly method. If it makes a mistake, like misaligning a component, it doesn't stop. Instead, it self-corrects, immediately refining its approach. And this level of autonomy brings us to an important concern we'll explore shortly. What happens when robots surpass humans, not just physically, but cognitively? Could we be moving toward an era where human labor becomes obsolete? Before diving into that critical question, let's explore another revolutionary innovation built into Helix. Something Figure AI calls Sport Mode. Sport Mode lets Helix learn and execute tasks faster than any human demonstrator. It achieves mastery at incredible speeds thanks to advanced AI algorithms. This is particularly transformative in industries like logistics. Imagine massive warehouses operated by Helix robots, sorting, packaging, and managing inventory continuously, tirelessly, without human error. This isn't a hypothetical future scenario. It's actively happening right now through Helix Logistics. Businesses using Helix robots see dramatic productivity boosts, reduced operational costs, and near-perfect efficiency. But let's circle back to our earlier question about the future of human jobs. Are we ready for the societal impacts of automation at this unprecedented scale? Figure A. I believe the future isn't about replacing human workers, but rather about human-robot collaboration. Robots excel in precision, speed, endurance, and repetitive or dangerous tasks, while humans are unmatched in creativity, empathy, intuitive thinking, and complex problem-solving. Let's explore a real-world example: search and rescue missions. After natural disasters, Helix robots can safely enter dangerous zones, quickly locate survivors, and transmit precise data back to human rescue teams. Those teams can then act decisively, maximizing the effectiveness of rescues and saving more lives. This isn't just an idea, it's already in trials. Beyond emergencies, consider agriculture. Helix robots could precisely monitor crops, dramatically reducing waste, saving water, protecting ecosystems, and enabling sustainable food production. Or imagine Helix in your smart home, proactively anticipating your needs, managing tasks, and even offering companionship, vastly improving quality of life, especially for elderly or disabled individuals. But with this remarkable autonomy come challenges that can't be ignored. Accountability is crucial. If an autonomous robot like Helix makes a critical error, who's responsible? Is it the creator, the programmer, or perhaps the robot itself? Security is another serious concern. Highly intelligent robots could become targets for sophisticated cyber attacks. Without robust security measures, a compromised Helix could present risks we've yet to fully comprehend. Addressing these ethical and security concerns requires proactive collaboration. Policymakers, technology leaders, and society must urgently establish guidelines and oversight mechanisms to ensure these technologies benefit humanity instead of harming it. Now, let's step back to see the bigger picture. Helix isn't the end of the journey. It's merely the beginning, leading us to an even more transformative technology: Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI will enable robots not just to perform tasks, but to think, reason, innovate, and even emotionally connect like humans. AGI Powered Robots will solve complex issues humanity has grappled with for centuries. Problems like climate change, pandemics, and poverty. Yet the rise of AGI also means drastic shifts in our economies, education systems, and societal roles. Jobs will evolve or even disappear, forcing urgent conversations about education, employment, and purpose. Experts aren't talking about decades. They're predicting these changes within just a few short years. Companies like Figure AI are already breaking barriers daily, accelerating the speed of this unprecedented transformation. The real question isn't whether robots like Helix will become common. They undoubtedly will. The question is, how prepared are we for this inevitable future? And if you're still skeptical, consider this. Helix recently appeared on a live stream with Cenat, effortlessly demonstrating its real-world capabilities. Kai himself was astonished at Helix's seamless adaptability and human-like precision, proof that the era of autonomous robotics isn't just coming, it's already arrived. So we stand at a crossroads. Your understanding of this moment is crucial. Now you're aware of the incredible advancements unfolding right before your eyes. But to truly prepare yourself for what's coming next, you must understand the full scope and rapid progression of AGI. If you're ready to dive deeper, this next video explores precisely that. You'll discover the profound implications of AGI, what it means for humanity, and how soon your life could dramatically change. Don't let this shift catch you off guard. Click here and prepare yourself for the age of artificial general intelligence, because it's closer than you think.